Welcome to this video where we are going to have a look at the taper option with the extrude feature of Autodesk Fusion. With a positive taper angle we can widen our extrusion, and with a negative angle we can narrow our extrusion. Suppose we want to make this shape. It looks maybe not what it is intended to be, but it is a fruit basket. And the whole interesting fact of this fruit basket, even while it is a quite complex shape, the drawing, the sketch that we need for this is very basic. This entire fruit basket is based on this one basic sketch. If we had hit E for extrude and then select this surface, we can make our first extrude a little bit down. That's it. Let's click OK. Let me click the surface again, hit E on the keyboard. Now we extrude a bit up. I'm going to select thin extrude and give it a wall thickness of, well, let's say 4. It doesn't matter exactly. And then comes the trick. Here we have a taper angle option. Let's give it, I don't know, 45 degrees. Let's click OK, and there we have a complete fruit basket based on only one simple drawing. You can do it with a square or a circle or any shape you like. No complex drawings needed to create this. We use the positive taper angle to widen our extrusion. We can also use a negative taper angle. Let's go up a little bit, and then if we click that taper, we see this rotating wheel here. You can of course type in a number, but you can also use this wheel, and with a positive number we widen the taper, with a negative number we narrow it. And yeah, you can create a shape like this, or you can even go a bit too far and it will automatically adapt itself and create the shape that is still possible. Also, for a shape like this, no complex drawings are needed. This taper option, it is really powerful. Make up your mind first in 3D what exactly you would like to create, and then try to create the simplest possible drawing and use the extrude feature to your benefit. This was it. Let's in the next video go to the next tool, which is the revolve tool.